I was really happy to see that you guys enjoyed the last motorcycle hacks video, so in this video, I'm giving you 3 more useful hacks using household items like last time. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel, you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. For more like this, be sure to subscribe. Let's go. Alright, so the first hack on this list is the disposable glove liner. If you get caught in a storm without a form of waterproof gloves, it can become a challenge to have full control of the throttle and the clutch. This can be easily solved with having a pair of disposable gloves handy in your bag or under your seat. And most of us have already stocked up on these because of recent times. To turn these into a glove liner, simply put them on before your riding gloves, and you're all set. This setup also helps if you get caught in cold weather without insulated gloves. The next hack is the WD-40 wheel cleaner. WD-40 is one of the most versatile products out there, and most people have it lying around the house. For motorcycles, I've seen it used to clean the chain since it's primarily kerosene, but another helpful use for it is cleaning the muck off of your rear wheel. I don't know about you guys, but my rear wheel collects a lot of dirt, and trying just soap and water doesn't work. Instead, try spraying some WD-40 into a cloth and wipe off the dirt. It cleans up the rim really nicely. Just be sure not to get any WD-40 on your tires for safety reasons. Be sure to like this video and hit subscribe if you haven't already. The third hack is the DIY helmet chin skirt. If you have a helmet that doesn't come with a standard chin skirt, like this Icon Airflight, all you have to do is grab some fabric, trace your helmet's chin area, adding about 1 inch all around, then cut your fabric using your template, and finally you just tuck it into the liner of your helmet. This might take a little bit of time, but it's really worth it. Once it's all smoothed out, you're all good to go. I really hope these hacks help out new and experienced riders alike. As always, ride safe and see you next time.